Okay, so I cannot go on record and say that there's going to be a per se a grace period. Maybe, Minister, you'll allow me to, my colleague Minister here and I, as well as he's functioning in both capacities. There's a covenant between the Ministry of VSR, TEAT, and Justice, in particular VSR and Justice, where we are working to give sort of a grace period to, in particular, business owners who have employed persons for quite a number of years. And what we see at the Immigration Department a lot is persons bringing in job letters for companies they've been working for years, but have indicated that these companies are refusing to file for them. So Minister and I and our teams have been working diligently to bring forward a pilot program, so to speak, where we want to be able to give, yes, a grace period to these companies to do the right thing by their employees. We have a lot of people, and I've stated this before, within our community who want to do right, who are doing right, but have experienced certain challenges like employers who refuse to file for them. And the basis to be able to have or apply for a permit, a residency permit on the island, is to be able to show self-sustainability, which means you have to prove you have income. And to have legal income, you need to have a work permit to do so. So what Minister and I are trying to do, and our teams, is to be able to bridge that gap, give an opportunity, and we hope to bring that forward to the Council of Ministers within short for approval, and then the pilot program will be launched.